Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Breville Oracle Touch and the Jura Impressa C9, both from Amazon renewed.
Yep, both are renewed, meaning they've been inspected to work like new. Let's dive in. The Breville seems pretty advanced. It's got a touchscreen, for starters.
True, the Breville has a touchscreen and automatic milk texturing. The Jura uses dials and buttons, much simpler interface. The Breville also grinds, doses, and tamps automatically with its integrated conical burr grinder. That sounds very convenient.
Definitely convenient. The Jura probably has a grinder too, most super-automatics do, but the Breville's description really emphasizes the, quote, dose control. It mentions 22 grams of coffee, which is a decent amount for a double shot.
Good point. And the Breville boasts a dual boiler for simultaneous extraction and steaming, plus precise temperature control. It's going for that third-wave specialty coffee experience. What about water tank capacity?
The Breville has a 67-ounce water tank. The Jura, though it calls out a 64 ounces capacity in the title, doesn't explicitly state the water tank size in its details.
Okay. The Breville also lets you personalize and save up to 8 coffee settings. So, pretty customizable. The Jura probably has some programmability, but it's not highlighted as much.
Right, the Breville is definitely pushing the personal barista at home angle. Let's look at size. The Breville is 14.7 x 14.5 x 17.6 inches and weighs 37.3 pounds. The Jura is much bigger at 21.6 x 19.2 x 18.8 inches.
Wow, the Jura is significantly bigger, and the Jura's weight is listed as only 0.01 ounces, which is obviously a mistake. Okay, so Breville is smaller and lighter. What about reviews?
Here's where it gets interesting. The Breville has a rating of 2.5 stars with 2 ratings, and one review mentions receiving a used machine with gym weights in the package. Yikes! The Jura has a perfect 5-star rating, but only from one review.
Oh dear, that's a huge red flag for the Breville. One positive review for the Jura isn't much to go on, but it's certainly better than a horror story. I think, based on the reviews alone, I'd lean towards the Jura. The Breville sounds amazing feature-wise, but that review is seriously concerning. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.